morning, students. Uh, After test, we start the first class in this week. So today we have to go to study about your subject moments. Moments means lesson 4 in the kingdom of fools. In the kingdom of fools, a folk talk stories in the Kannada language written by A.K. Ramanujan. It is believed that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. Who are the fools in this story? What happens to them? You find out in this story. So, uh, first of all, uh, in the Kingdom of Fools is an amusing story describing beautifully the nature and behavior of the fools by Ramanujan. Uh, the story is a famous Kannada folk talk from A.K. Ramanujan's talk. Folk tales from India. It is about a kingdom which was run by the foolish king and the stupid minister. They ordered their people to work during the night and sleep during the day. It was ordered of anyone disobeyed, he or she would surely be killed. So you find out in this story who was fools and who was not fool. There are many incidents happened in this story and a intelligence of the guru and the disciple. So uh, first uh, open your book and you find out the story about the in the kingdom of fools. In the kingdom of fools means मूर्खों का राज. You find out in the kingdom of fools both the king and the ministers were idiots. They did not want to run things like other kings, so they decided to change night into the day and day into night. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night till their field and run their business only after dark and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. The people did as they were told for fear of death. Everyone fear of death. Who does not fear of the death? So the king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. One day a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. It was a beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse stirring. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. The two strangers means Guru and his disciple were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went out its nightly business. Nightly business means according to the order of the king and according to the order of the king, the people who lived in that kingdom, they sleep in the day and work at night. So they start at night their business. Being ordered, their king, everyone fear from the death, so they obeyed his king. इसलिए वे जो है अपने राजा की आज्ञा का पालन करते थे. Fear from the death means मृत्यु के भय से. So who does not fear from death? कौन जो है मृत्यु से डरता नहीं? Means everyone. Once lines you find out if anyone followed them, or the people who lived in that kingdom, they followed the order of the king. After seeing them, उनको देखकर both the king and his ministers, they were very happy and delighted. Means प्रसन्न थे. One day, the two men means guru and his disciple. Disciple means shishya. Okay, disciple, they entered into the city. The city was very beautiful, सुंदर था, और उसके बाद जो है clean, but they did not find anyone's till means where the people or cattle or others, जहाँ तक कि वहाँ के एनिमल्स मीन्स कैटल्स और इंसेक्ट्स भी जो है दिन में दिखाई नहीं देते थे. द टू men were hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same, a single dudu. Dudu means currency of that time. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a dudu. The Guru and his disciples were delighted. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupees. Means they were, means Guru and his disciples, they were very hungry. They wanted something to eat. After opening the shop, they bought something, but they find out everything, means everything as bunch of bananas, ghee, rice, wheat, or anything are sold, were sold in same rate, means same rate in dudu. After shopping, they find out in 1 rupees everything they found, and they were very delighted. और वे जो है इससे बहुत प्रसन्न थे. When they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools and it would not be a good idea for them to stay there. This is no place for us. Let us go, he said to his disciple. But the disciple did not want to leave. To leave means here. To leave. Leave means छोड़ना. वे जो है उसे छोड़ना चाहते थे गुरु. But everything was cheap here. All he wanted was good, cheap food. The Guru said, they are fools. This would not last very long, and you cannot tell what they will do to you next. But the disciple would not listen to the Guru's wisdom. He wanted to stay. The Guru finally gave up and said, do what you want, I am going, and left. The disciple stayed on at his fill every day, bananas and ghee and rice and wheat, and grew fat like a street side sacred bull. Sacred bull means जो जानवर जो है या कैटल जो है गली में घूमते हैं और वे जो है सब कुछ खाकर जो है काफ़ी जो है मोटे ताजे हो जाते हैं. सेम वे आफ्टर leaving the Guru, the disciple ate everything in when he found everything was cheap, and after eating rice, bananas, cheese and everything, so they grows in fat. वो जो काफी जो है मोटा हो गया था. One bright day, a thief broke into a rich merchant's house. He had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in. And as he was carrying out his loot, the wall of the old house collapsed. Collapsed means vanished on his head and killed him on the spot. His brother ran to the king and complained, "Your Highness, when my brother was pursuing his ancient trade, do you know trade means occupation? Trade, a wall fell on him and killed him. This merchant is to blame. He should have built a good strong wall. You must punish the wrongdoer and compensate the family for this injustice." Means one happens at night when his brother, a blame according to one bright day, a thief. Bright day means everyone doing work in the night, but the thieves work in the day. After everyone who was sleeping, then their trade or their occupations started. Same way, uh, one bright day, a thief broke into a hole into the wall, sneaked in, and when he was carrying something from merchant's house, the wall fall on his head and he was died, और वह मर गया. So his brother complained over the merchants. The king said, "Justice will be done, don't worry," and at once summoned the owner of the house. Summoned means called. Summoned means called. Okay? तो उसने जो है क्या किया कि उस ऑनर को जो है कॉल किया. ओके, summoned the owner of the house के ऑनर को जो है उसने जो है कॉल किया, और उसने यह भी कहा कि निश्चित ही डेफिनेटली जस्टिस विल बी डन, न्याय होगा. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him, "What is your name?" "Such and such, your highness." Means जैसे ही उसने क्वेश्चन किया कि what is your name, the merchant replied, "Such and such." "Were you at home when the dead man burgled your house?" "Yes, my lord. He broke in and the wall was weak. It fell on him." The accused pleaded guilty. "Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. We have to punish you." Means after them, the king ordered that you killed a man, so you will be punished. Who is that? "My lord, this wall was built in my father's time." उसने बताया कि यह my lord जो हाउस था वह जो है मेरे पिता के समय का बना हुआ था. Build the wall. He did not build it right. You should punish him. "Who is that?" "My lord, this wall was built in my father's time. I know the man. He is an old man now. He lives nearby." वह लगभग जो है जीवित है. The king sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayer. Bricklayer means mason, rajmistri, who had built the wall. They brought him tied hand and foot. वह उसे जो है लाया गया. They brought him means the soldiers are the men of the king. They went to that man and they brought that man tied hand and foot. उसके हाथों और पैरों को बांध कर जो है राजा के सामने जो है लाए. "You there? Did you build this man's wall in his father's time?" "Yes, my lord, I did." जैसे ही as soon as the king asked a question from the man or mason, that times he accepted, "Yes, I had built that house." मैंने उस घर को बनाया था. "What kind of a wall is this that you built?" "It has fallen on a poor man and killed him. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death." जैसे उसने जो है कहा कि what kind of a wall is this that you built, यह वॉल तुमने कैसे बनाई, तो "It has fallen on a poor man and killed him. You have murdered him." आपने उसका जो है मर्डर किया है. "You have to punish you by death" means आपको जो है यह पनिशमेंट दिया जाता है ऑफ द डेथ. Before the king could order the execution, the poor bricklayer pleaded. निवेदन करता है, pleaded निवेदन कर रहा है, रिक्वेस्ट किया, "Please listen to me before you give your orders." means before giving order of the death, please listen to me, कृपया मुझे सुनिए, and listen to me. "It is true, I built this wall and it was no good. But that was because my mind was not on it. I remember very well a dancing girl who was going up and down that street all day with her ankle jingling, and I could not keep my eyes on or my mind on the wall. I was building. You must get that dancing girl. I know where she lives. Means before any punishment, listen to me as the bricklayer said. उसने बताया, it is true that I built the wall. When I was building that wall, जब मैं उस दीवार को बना रहा था, that wall, a dancing girl was roaming from here and there. एक जो है dancing girl जो कि उस गली में जो है विचरण कर रहे थे, and my attention towards the girl and not my mind on the wall. So I am not punishable for that reason due to the dancing girl, and I know where she lives. और मैं जानता हूँ कि वह कहाँ रहती है. You are right. The case depends. We must look into it. It is not easy to judge such complicated cases. Let us get that dancer wherever she is. So next time जो है, they ordered to search or to come the dancing girl. The dancing girl, now an old woman, came trembling. Trembling is कांपना, कांपते हुए जो है वह जो है to the court. वह dancing girl जो है अब जो है उस old बूढ़ी हो चुकी थी. She came trembling before the king or into the court. So today's class over. Okay. Next time, after reading this book, you enter into the classroom. Okay.